Hey you guys, it's Mrs. Alexander, and we're working with some more Engage New York. We're doing Module 1, Lesson 15, and our objective is to use place value understanding to fluently decompose to smaller units multiple times in any place using standard subtraction algorithm. Apply the algorithm to solve word problems. And yes, we're going to start off with just basic problems and then go to our word problem. We're going to do 2 this time. So use a standard subtraction algorithm to solve the problems below. So if you notice, we're in the 100,000s and the 10,000s, but here we're at 1,000. So let's go look at how this looks. So I'm going to jump in my scribble box. I'm going to hit scribble. Remember, I'm using my finger. So I'm going to do 100, 1,660. Look at how I spaced it out. I have 91,000, so my 9 needs to be in the 10,000s. So 1, 6, 8, 0, 6, 8, 0. Now I need to subtract, you guys. 0 minus 0, great job. 6 minus 8. I can't do that. Are you sure? I could get 2. Oh, not 2. Why? 6 isn't bigger than 8. So we need to do what? Great job. We need to regroup. So I'm going to turn this 6 into a 5. And this 6 becomes a, yes, 16. 16 minus 8 is, great job, 8. 5 minus 6. Can I do that? No. What do I need to do? Yes, I need to regroup. So I'm going to take this 1, and I'm going to make it a 0. And that 1 comes over here to the 5. 15 minus 6 is, yes, 9. What does 0 take away 1? Great job, you guys. You can't do that. So now I need to look over. Do you see the 0? Can I take anything from there? No. So there's one of 2 ways you can look at it. You can look at it as a 10, or you can just double regroup. So what I'm going to do is put a 0 here. Change this 0 to 10, take this and turn it to 9 because I need to take that and turn that one to 10. So this 9 should be right up here, not there. So let me quick undo that. So I'm going to put my 9 right here because it goes there and bring my 10 there. Do you see how that all works? This right here became 0. I brought it over here to make this 10. I had to take 1 from the 10 to make this a 10. It's really, I understand some of you guys might go, what? Redo it. So here I go. I'll do it one more time. I'm going to quickly take this all away and do it right now. So you saw how we got to here, right? Because we regrouped right here. But because I have 0, I can't take 1 from you because you have 0. So we need to regroup. And right here, I can't regroup this 0 because there's nothing to give to this one. So I need to fix that. So I'm going to take this 1 and I'm going to regroup it to this 0. See how that becomes 10? Now I can regroup to here. So this becomes a 9. And this becomes our 10. I'm hoping that helped. Now we can do 10 minus 1. Yes, is 9. And 9 minus 9 is 0. So right here is where we stop because 0 minus 0. I know, kind of complicated this regrouping right here, so we'll keep practicing. So I'm going to hit save and close, and I'm going to quick jump into the next one because I'm pretty sure we're going to have a problem kind of the same. So I'm going to go ahead and write 101,660. But this one, I just have 1,000. I actually have 9,000. So 9,980. Remember, I am subtracting. So again, it looks like I'm going to have to do multiples of regrouping. So let's start off in our ones column. 0 minus 0, Great job. 6 minus 8. Good job. We need to regroup. So this 6 becomes a 5. Great job, which means this 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 5, take away 9. No? Yes, we have to regroup. So we're going to take this 1, turn it to 0, and turn that to 15, right? 15 minus 9 is? Great job. So 0, take away 9. Right, so we got to go to our left to regroup, but we can't because we have a 0. So this 0 needs to regroup. So this becomes 0. This becomes 10. Now I can regroup to this one, and this 10 becomes a 9, and that becomes a 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. There you guys go. Look at how we grouped. Remember, if you start off with 0 and you're next to 0, you have to keep going until you can bounce it back over. Okay, you guys, that is 2. I'm going to go ahead and jump to our word problem. Remember to take your time as you're doing these. It just is patience, and you can do it. Remember to smile while you're doing it. Smiling always makes it good. Here is our check for understanding. David is flying from Hong Kong to Buenos Aires. The total flight distance is 11,472 miles. If the plane has 7,793 miles left to travel, how far has it already traveled? So being we know it's a word problem and we have to answer it, the plane has traveled blank, blank, blank miles so far. Has already traveled blank miles. So I don't have to write the word so far. Okay, now that I do, I need to remember these numbers, 11,472 and 7793. Let's see if I can do it. And if you can't, it's okay. So right now I can see this. I have 11,400, I believe it's 72. I want to say it's 7,000 something. So right now I'm going to hit save and close. 7793, 7,793. So I'm going to go ahead and scribble 7,793. Do you see how I make sure that each of them looks like they're in their own column? It's really important. And it looks like we're going to be regrouping. 2 subtract 3. Great job. I have to regroup. So what's this 7 become? Great, 6. This 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 3 is? Yes. 6 subtract 9. You're right. I need to regroup. So this become a 3. This becomes 16. 16 minus 9. Great job. 7. 3 subtract 7. You're right. Can't do it. So I'm going to take from this one and bring it there. 13 minus 7. Great job. 0 subtract 7, you guys. Can't do it. Again, regroup. This becomes a 0. This becomes a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So here's the answer. So far, they've traveled 3,669 miles. So right here, I get to write 3,679 miles. Oh, I wrote a 2. I need a 3. Now, it also says I need to check my answers. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit the tab a couple times. I'm going to insert drawing, and I'm going to hit new. Okay, I'm going to scribble. I know I have 7,000 and 3,000. I don't remember my numbers, you guys, but that's okay because I can hit save and make it a little bit smaller, which is fine. 793. So 793, and it's 600 and something. It's okay if you don't remember. 679 I need. Okay, 79. So now what I'm going to do, because I'm checking, is I need to add. Do you see how that worked? Add. So I'm going to do 3 plus 9. You're right, is 12. I drop the 2, carry my 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 7 is 17. Great job. And I carry my 1, drop my 7. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 6 is 14. Drop the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Now I'm going to go see if this is the answer I had originally. I'm going to make that just a little bigger. 11,472. 11,472. So I've checked my answer to make sure I am correct, because it's really important that I'm matching up, and I'm using a fact family, which means I'm using the exact same 3 numbers. As you're doing this, remember to take your time, make sure you're regrouping. If you're adding to a group or taking away from a group, make sure we're regrouping. Take your time. Remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle as you're working on this. Have a nice day. Bye.